Just light a candle and rub it on the side mirror. This is a simple technique, but it can save your life. Usually, when it rains, water tends to accumulate on car mirrors, which makes visibility much more difficult. And besides being an inconvenience, it can be very dangerous while driving. But don't worry, because by using a simple candle, you can easily solve this problem. For this, make sure the side mirror is completely clean and dry. Now take a candle and rub it evenly over the entire surface of the mirror. And it's important to cover all corners well, leaving the mirror fully protected. Then, using a lighter, pass the flame gently over the mirror's surface. You don't need to leave it for too long, just enough to slightly melt the candle wax. Finally, take a dry cloth and rub it in circular motions until the glass is shiny and free of residue. Once the process is complete, check how the water no longer accumulates. And with this, you'll have a clear view, even in heavy rain. This tip not only improves your visibility, but also increases your safety while driving. Now that you've learned how to protect the mirror from water, let me show you a bonus tip that will keep your car smelling great. For this, add about 7 ounces of water into a spray bottle, approximately 1 cup. Then, just choose a fabric softener of your preference. But if possible, use a good quality concentrated one. That way, the scent will last much longer. And you can add 1.5 caps of the softener. We'll also need alcohol. Here I'm using 70% alcohol, but you can use whichever you prefer. And we'll add 3 caps of alcohol. And to finish, add a few drops of fragrance oil. Here, I'm using lavender, but you can use whichever scent you like. Then close the spray bottle and mix everything very well. And with this simple mixture, you'll keep your car smelling amazing, all with inexpensive ingredients that everyone has at home. And most importantly, without spending money on store-bought air fresheners, which are often expensive and don't last very long. Just spray it in your car and you'll immediately notice the scent change. And don't worry, it won't stain as it dries very quickly due to the alcohol, leaving only the pleasant scent of the fabric softener and fragrance. Give it a try, I'm sure you'll love it. That's it, I hope you enjoyed it. Especially the first tip because, as I said, it's very useful. It will really help with driving, as it prevents water buildup and improves visibility of other vehicles. So take care and see you in the next video.